The National Electrical Code, or NEC, Article 225 addresses outside branch circuits and feeders. Specifically, Section 225.27 focuses on clearances from buildings or other structures. Subsection A, General, states that overhead conductors and equipment must maintain certain distances from buildings or other structures, including antennas, as detailed in Table 225.27. Subsection B, Minimum Clearances, specifies that the clearances outlined in Table 225.27 are applicable when the voltage between conductors is 300 volts or less. Table 225.27 provides a breakdown of minimum clearances based on nominal voltage between conductors. For voltages not over 300 volts, the minimum clearance is 3 feet. For voltages over 300 volts to 1000 volts, the minimum clearance is 4 feet. For voltages over 1000 volts to 5000 volts, the minimum clearance is 5 feet. For voltages over 5000 volts to 15,000 volts, the minimum clearance is 6 feet. For voltages over 15,000 volts to 33,000 volts, the minimum clearance is 7 feet. For voltages over 33,000 volts to 50,000 volts, the minimum clearance is 8 feet. It's important to note that these clearances apply to the closest point on the building or other structure to the nearest conductor. In addition to the NEC requirements, there are other important considerations. Firstly, local building codes or utility regulations may impose additional clearance requirements. Secondly, the clearances in Table 225.27 are designed for standard building construction. If a structure is made of combustible materials or is easily ignitable, these clearances may need to be increased for safety. It is always recommended to consult with the local utility company or a qualified electrician to obtain specific guidance on the minimum clearances required for a particular installation. This will ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations and help to prevent electrical hazards. In summary, the NEC provides specific guidelines for maintaining safe distances between overhead power lines and structures. Always refer to the latest edition of the NEC and consult with qualified professionals to ensure electrical safety and code compliance.